Welcome back to Bike Legend Pro. Today we are taking a look at the legendary commuter bike, the Hero Splendor 100cc new model 2026. The Splendor has always been known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordable maintenance. The 2026 model continues this legacy with a refreshed design, improved graphics, and a modern look that makes it perfect for daily riders who want style along with practicality. The new Splendor 2026 is powered by a refined 100cc air-cooled engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its class. It comes with updated features like a digital analog meter, improved suspension for comfortable rides, and a stronger frame for better stability on city roads and highways. If you are looking for a budget-friendly bike that offers durability, great mileage, and trusted performance, the Hero Splendor 2026 could be the perfect choice. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Legend Pro for more amazing bike reviews and updates.